Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric telephone. This is Lewis's equipment from New York, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now this unit utilizes a trim line telephone, and it can also store a phone book or your phone books in the side on the inside of it, and it's a cork board so you can show your notes or your business cards. And when you take out these two tabs that we have here and flip the picture frame around, it becomes a chalkboard. So you can utilize it as a chalkboard or a corkboard. And the corkboard and the chalkboard just flips around, and you can see that the brackets hold that in. And so once that's flipped around, you can use it as a corkboard or a chalkboard. And you would just take these two tabs out to take the frame off. And so it's a very cool telephone. We want to go through this unit. It has an issue. The modular line port is broken, so we're going to replace that modular line port. We also want to go through the trim line handset. We want to make sure that the transmit, the receive, and that it's dialing out properly. We also want to troubleshoot the handset cord. So we're going to be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We're going to go ahead and get some still pictures of this really cool telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this really cool Western Electric telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to run through a little bit about what went on. The modular line port was replaced, and we also found some bad connections at the solder points for the main PC board of the trim line telephone. So what we did was resolder the whole board, and so that was taken care of. So all the issues have been resolved. Now we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. Now, if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in at 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on our ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Friday, September 14th. The current time, 7:57 p.m. and the temperature, 82 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. We can go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Lewis and they can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.